Dancing is this weird thing that us human beings do. There doesn't appear to be any point to it, right? And yet, it seems to be such a big part of society. If you can't dance, then a whole bunch of these social events become off-limit to you, which makes this skill a rather important but annoying skill to have, right? If this resonates with you, then I gotta tell you, I understand. And worry not, because this tutorial was created just for you. Hey man, this is Brian B, aka your living room dance teacher, aka your dance floor bro. And this tutorial is going to show you exactly how dancing works. You're going to learn how to gain rhythm and learn how to casually dance at social events. And of course, you're going to learn a set of basic dance moves that you can do at the club, so you can finally join in on the fun. Now, before digging into the lessons, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master the dance moves that I'm about to show you, then check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. That being said, let's get into it. The first thing I want to address, how does dancing actually work? Well, if you think about it, dancing is simply body movements that you do that syncs up to the music. Specifically, there are two types of dancing. The first one is choreography dancing. So choreography dancing is basically stringing a bunch of different dance moves together in a very specific sequence. And then you do the sequence to a set song. So if you've seen music videos where there's dancing, then you've probably seen choreography dancing. Now, if you've taken a dance class before, then you probably tried choreography dancing. As you probably already know, choreography dancing is not really suitable for the club or social events. If you do choreography dancing at the club, then you would look a little bit weird. The second type of dancing is groove-based dancing, and this is what I consider as casual dancing. Here's a little secret. Most dance classes don't teach this type of casual dancing because most dance teachers assume that everyone knows how to dance casually already. But of course, this is totally not true. Now, the way that you learn how to casual dance is totally different from how you would learn how to do choreography. When you're learning how to casual dance, the first thing you gotta understand is how to groove with your body. So these are the body grooves. Now, the body grooves is this up and down repetitive motion that you do with your body that matches up to the beat of the music. And here are some examples. So this is the type of dancing that I'm going to be showing you in a moment here. Moving on, before you want to learn how to dance, you have to be able to recognize the rhythm in music. And also, you have to be able to catch a beat. Now at this point, if you can't catch the beat, then let's go through a couple exercises where I can help you develop the ability to recognize the beats in a song. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to play a simple song, and then I'm going to count to the beats of the song, up to 8. So it's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to count to the beats, and then afterwards, I want you to follow me and count with me. All right, getting started. This is the first beat, so I'm going to count to it, and then afterwards, you can count with me. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, how was that? Not bad, right? So if you think you're ready, try to count with me. On my count, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. If you were able to keep up with that, let's kick it up a notch. So at this point, I'm going to play the same song, but I'm going to clap to the even counts. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I want you to do is to count and clap with me. Here we go. On my count. Here we go. We're gonna clap to it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap with me. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, if you were able to keep up with that, let's try it with a different song. Here we go. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Clap to the even counts. On my count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, if we were able to keep up with that, let's move on to learning some basic dance moves. But before getting into the tutorial, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master these dance moves, remember to check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. That said, let's get into it. Moving on to the first dance move. So this one is the casual rocking groove. It looks like this. Okay, so this one is perfect for faster beat music. So for example, house music. All right, so let me break it down. First thing you want to do is you want to stand with your knees relaxed and your core locked. So flexing your abs. And from here, the first motion is the body going forward. So your knees are going to go backwards while your upper body goes forward, leans forward, okay? And then we're just going to relax. So we go 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay? From the front, it goes 1 and 2 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Quick troubleshoot here. You want to make sure you're not smashing your knees backwards too hard, okay? Because that's going to cause injuries, all right? So just make sure you bring your knees back and then coming forward. So we go boom and boom, nice and casual. And the second thing here is make sure you're flexing your abs so your body is rigid, okay? So we go boom and boom, boom and boom. If you're not flexing your core, then it's gonna look like this. Doesn't look good. All right, so make sure your core is locked. We go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and rock and rock, rock and rock, rock and rock. Okay, so once you have that down, what we're going to do is we're going to put a direction in there. So we're going to turn this way and this way. So first thing we're gonna do, turning this way, we're going to go rock and then as we pivot over to the other side, we're gonna go rock and the other side. So we go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. From the side, I go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So I'm doing this in an exaggerated motion for now. Once you master it, then you can scale it down. All right, from the front, one more time. Going this way first, I go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Spinning up a little, we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Rock and rock, and rock, rock, rock. All right, so let's try to some music now. So to music, I'm going to rock this way first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 2, 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 1, 2, and 2. Rock, rock, and rock, 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 and rock, 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 and rock, 1, 2. All right. The last dance groove here is the casual lean back groove. So it looks like this. Boom, boom, and boom, 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 and boom. Okay, so let me break it down. First thing we want to get used to is the lean back groove motion. So from here, what's going to happen is you want to make sure your core is locked. You want to lean back, but as you lean back, you want to bend your knees like so. Okay, so we go boom and come right back. Make sure your core is locked. We go 1 in, 1 in, 1 in, 1 in. Okay, so bending your knees, upper body goes back and come right back up. From the front, we go 1 in, 1 in, 1 in, 1 in. Okay, so again, make sure your core is locked or else you're just going to be leaning backwards like that. Doesn't look good, okay? Core lock, we go boom and boom, boom and boom. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. From the front one more time, we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, rock, and boom and boom. Once you have that down, what we're gonna do is put a direction in there. So we're going to turn to one side, hit that, and then come back and hit the other side. So we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. As you're doing this groove, make sure you're looking forward so you're not looking up at the ceiling like this, all right? Doesn't look good. Look forward, we go boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom. And then throw the arms in there, we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and drop and drop. So once you get used to it, you can actually put a doubling up motion in there, okay? So doubling up motion, we go 1 and 2, doubled up, 1 and 2, doubled up. So 1, 2, doubled up, 1, 2, boom and boom. Okay, so let's give this a try to some music now. Let's try it out. So I'm gonna face this way first. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hit, hit. 1, 2, hit, hit. Boom, boom, doubled up. Boom, boom, doubled up. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and that's all. So once again, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master these basic dance moves, then check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. So which one of these dance moves is your favorite? Make sure to comment below and make sure to subscribe and share. This is Brian B, aka your dance floor bro, aka your living room dance teacher. Let's talk soon.